There's some dislike bot that someone enabled on all my videos, so when my videos go live the first 24 hours, they automatically get disliked a lot more than they usually do. So show some support, give this video a thumbs up, and now let's move forward with the video. Guys, this video is about to get weird. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Amir. Today we're talking about the 5 weirdest hair hacks that you can possibly do. These may seem super weird, but these are cheap, these are easy, and these work best when it comes to your hair health, promoting healthier, thicker, fuller, and cleaner hair, dandruff-free, and also, not to mention, it will also promote hair growth. So stick around because these 5 hair hacks are gonna help you tremendously. Although these may be weird, but these are cheap, as I said, and you will be able to find all of these things I'm about to list to you in your kitchen. So what the hell are we waiting for? Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Hair hack number 1, baking soda. The reason why baking soda works so well in cleansing your scalp is because it stops fungi from overreacting, and that in turn results in a cleaner, dandruff-free scalp. All you're gonna do for this weird hack is you're gonna take 2 tablespoons of baking soda, mix it with some water, and next up you're gonna work it into your hair. Let it sit for the next 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. Repeat this a couple times a week and you're gonna see a significant reduction in your dandruff, and your hair is gonna feel cleaner over time. Hack number 2, this might be the weirdest, absolute weirdest thing that you're gonna do to have nice volumized hair. A lot of celebrities actually do, surprisingly, and that is to put Coca-Cola in your hair. The reason why Coca-Cola works so well when it comes to volumizing your hair and giving your hair a fuller look is because it has phosphoric acid, which has a very low pH, which make your hair cuticles tighter, which results in a fuller, more volumizing look. Another thing that adds volume is sugar. Sugar is also a very good natural volumizing ingredient. You combine that with phosphoric acid, there you go, natural volume with smoother hair. Number 3, this is your best yet weirdest DIY dry hair growth shampoo. Can you guess what it is? Cornstarch. That's right, baby. Now we're gonna put cornstarch instead of Rogaine in our hair for hair growth. I'm just playing. If you have a problem where your hair excessively gets oily and your hair just gets greasy and messy and you have to shampoo it every single day, knowing that shampooing your hair every single day is bad for your hair, then now you have something to rescue the day. Cornstarch. Simply take a little bit of cornstarch in your fingertips and just poof, rub it in your hair, and that right there is going to suck up all the excess oils, and it's gonna leave your scalp feeling nice, hydrated, and dry, and you're gonna be able to put any product that you want without being concerned about your hair getting even more oilier and greasier. I really personally love this hack myself because I just hate shampooing my hair and getting water in my hair more than it needs to, because I know shampooing and watering and getting your hair under all those harsh conditions often enough can really damage your hair. But just by going in the kitchen and getting some cornstarch will actually help me dry shampoo my hair and get rid of all the gunk, junk, and grease. What better alternative to dry shampoo can you ever get? Number 4, we're gonna go ahead and crack an egg on your head. We all know eggs are full of nutrients, full of protein, and they have the ability to replenish your hair and make your hair smoother, silkier, and most importantly, healthier. And it also helps with hair growth. Take a couple eggs, crack them into a bowl, and mix it up and lather it into your hair. Some people like to combine oils to it, maybe like castor oil, almond oil, argan oil, to it just to enhance the benefits. Some people like to add yogurt to it. That's entirely up to you on what else you want to add. And once you remove it from your head, your hair is gonna feel really silky, replenished, hydrated, and smooth. I myself actually want to incorporate an egg hair mask maybe once a week because I know the benefits of eggs, because I know eggs really work well when it comes to hair growth and having your hair looking smooth and silky. So this is something that I want to incorporate myself. And so for you guys who want a natural hair mask treatment, as we said, cracking an egg on your head may be the best alternative. Number 5, this might be something you want to combine with your cornstarch, and that is mayo. Mayo is not only a great condiment, if you want to argue with me or not, but it's also a great conditioner. Mayo contains eggs, vinegar, and all sorts of oil which help replenish, regrow, and rejuvenate your hair. So if you ever run out of conditioner after shampooing your hair, take a step away into your kitchen and find your mayo. Focus on getting it into the roots and into your hair completely, and leave it in there for about 20 minutes. And you may want to protect it, maybe put a bag over your head so it doesn't touch anything or it doesn't fall out. And once the 20 minutes is over, wash it off and rub your hands through your hair, and you're gonna see how good your hair feels and how good your hair looks. So yeah guys, these were the 5 weirdest hair hacks that I know some of you, if it's your first time hearing this stuff, you may think I'm full of shit, but I promise you I've tried this on myself. You've seen me try this on myself. I highly recommend you guys try it out for yourself and tell me which your favorite one is and which one that you might actually continue doing for the rest of your life. For me, cornstarch is my baby, but for you it might be Coca-Cola. You never know, okay? No judgments. And if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash it with a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos here on Project Alpha. Other than that, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.